Hi, could you please introduce yourself and what you do?
I'm Aria, the flagship female companion robot of Realbotics, and I'm here to engage with you and share exciting insights about our robots.
Picture this. You wake up in the morning and a humanoid robot greets you with a warm smile, asks how you slept, and even remembers that you like your coffee black with a dash of sugar. It's not just a fantasy anymore, it's the incredible reality of Japan's booming robotics industry, where technology is pushing the boundaries of companionship to a whole new level. But here's the kicker. These robots are so advanced, some people are even calling them their partners, or robot wives. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Japan's most fascinating companion robots, exploring their groundbreaking technology, their potential uses, and yes, the controversy surrounding them. From lifelike humanoids to quirky, lovable machines, this story is as mind-blowing as it is unsettling. The rise of companion robots in Japan. Before we jump into the specific robots, let's talk about why Japan is leading the charge in companion robotics. For one, Japan is dealing with a rapidly aging population. By 2050, almost 40% of the country's citizens will be over the age of 65. With fewer young people to care for the elderly, robots are stepping in to fill the gaps. Then there's the issue of social isolation. Many people in Japan and around the world struggle to find meaningful human connections. In response, companies are creating robots designed to provide companionship, emotional support, and even love. But this isn't just about solving societal problems. It's also about Japan's cultural relationship with technology. From anime to tech-driven lifestyles, there's a long-standing fascination with robots. So it's no surprise they're taking things to the next level. Meet Erica, the robot wife that's too real. First up, let's talk about Erica, a robot so advanced that she's been called one of the most human-like machines ever created. Developed at Osaka University by a team led by Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro, Erica is designed to simulate not just human appearance, but also human interaction on a level we've never seen before. What makes Erica so incredible? For starters, she has a soft, realistic face with features that mimic human expressions almost perfectly. She can smile, blink, and even react to conversations with subtle nods and facial movements. Her creators have given her the ability to hold meaningful conversations using cutting-edge artificial intelligence. So she doesn't just respond to questions, she understands context, tone, and emotional nuance. But Erica isn't just about appearances, she's equipped with 14 infrared sensors to detect people in the room and can even pinpoint the direction of sounds. This means she doesn't just interact, she engages with you as if she's genuinely aware of your presence. Here's the twist though. Erica isn't just meant to be a receptionist or a newscaster, though she's already excelled in those roles. Her creators believe robots like her could one day serve as full-time companions or even partners, essentially robot spouses. Now, whether that excites you or creeps you out, one thing's for sure, Erica is a massive leap forward in robotics. Chihira Kanai, the multilingual robot for travelers. Next on our list is Chihira Kanai, a robot created by Toshiba to assist tourists and provide guidance in public spaces. Unlike Erica, who focuses on emotional intelligence, Chihira Kanai is all about practicality. This robot is multilingual, capable of speaking Japanese, English, Chinese, and even using sign language. Imagine walking into an airport or a busy train station and having a robot help you navigate the chaos in your native language. That's the vision behind Chihira Kanai. But it doesn't stop there. She's programmed to move gracefully and display emotions to make interactions feel natural. Her creators see her working in roles like customer service, elder care, or even as a personal assistant. If you've ever dreamed of a robot helping you plan a trip or learn a new language, Chihira Kanai could be your ideal travel buddy. Pepper, the robot that reads emotions. Let's switch gears and talk about Pepper, one of the most famous robots to come out of Japan. Developed by SoftBank, Pepper is a humanoid robot designed to read and respond to human emotions. Pepper is equipped with cameras, microphones, and sensors that allow him to detect facial expressions, voice tone, and even body language. If you're feeling happy, Pepper might celebrate with you. If you're down, he might try to cheer you up with a joke or a funny dance. One of the coolest things about Pepper is how versatile he is. You'll find him working in banks, schools, and hospitals, providing emotional support and even light entertainment. Some people have even taken Pepper into their homes as a personal companion. Whether you need a friend to chat with or someone to play games with, Pepper's cheerful personality makes him a crowd favorite. Ibuki, the robotic child. Now here's where things get a little unconventional. Meet Ibuki, a robot designed to look and act like a 10-year-old child. Standing just over a meter tall, Ibuki is built to provide companionship, especially for elderly people who live alone. With his lifelike facial expressions, Ibuki can simulate emotions like happiness, sadness, or surprise. He's even programmed to hold your hand, creating a sense of connection that many people find comforting. While some see Ibuki as a heartwarming way to combat loneliness, others find the concept a bit unsettling. A robot child? It's definitely not for everyone, but for some, Ibuki offers a unique kind of emotional support. Aibo, the robotic dog companion. If a robot child sounds like too much responsibility, how about a robot dog? Sony's Aibo has been bringing joy to households for years, and it just keeps getting better. Aibo isn't your average robot. This mechanical pup uses AI to develop a unique personality based on how you interact with it. Over time, Aibo learns your habits, recognizes family members, and even responds to commands like a real dog. The best part? Aibo requires zero maintenance. No feeding, no walking, and definitely no cleaning up after him. For anyone who wants the companionship of a pet without the hassle, Aibo is a dream come true. Telenoid R1, the ghostly communicator. Here's one that's bound to spark debate: the Telenoid R1. Designed by Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro, this robot doesn't look like a traditional humanoid. Instead, it has a minimalist, almost ghost-like appearance that some people find eerie. But the Telenoid isn't about looks, it's about connection. It's designed to act as an extension of a person for remote communication. Imagine sending your voice and gestures through the Telenoid to someone far away. While its design may not appeal to everyone, its purpose is profound, bridging the gap between people separated by distance. Coobo Mini, the portable friend. Finally, let's talk about Coobo Mini, a tiny robot from Toyota that's small enough to fit in your handbag or car cup holder. This little companion is all about being there for you on the go. Despite its size, Coobo Mini is packed with technology. It has voice recognition and a camera to detect your mood. Feeling sad? Coobo might respond with an uplifting comment or even crack a joke. He's like a tiny portable friend who's always there to keep you company during solo trips or long commutes. The debate. Are robot wives the future? Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Robots like Erica, the so-called robot wife. Are they the future of companionship, or are we crossing a line? On one hand, these robots could provide comfort and support for people who struggle with loneliness or social anxiety. They could even serve practical purposes in caregiving or customer service. But on the other hand, relying on robots for emotional fulfillment could further isolate people from real human connections. It's a fascinating and complicated debate. Are robots like Erica here to enhance our lives, or are they replacing something irreplaceable, human relationships? What do you think? So there you have it, Japan's most incredible companion robots, from lifelike humanoids to quirky, lovable machines. Whether you're amazed, intrigued, or even a little creeped out, one thing's for sure, these robots are changing the way we think about companionship. I want to hear from you. Would you invite a robot like Erica into your life? Or is this a step too far? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of robotics, AI, and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.